Okay, picture this. What if you could hire an employee that works 24/7, never gets tired, and, get this, costs just a tiny fraction of a normal salary? Well, today, we're not just going to talk about it, we're going to show you exactly how to build it, your very first AI employee. And the best part, you won't have to write a single line of code. Let's jump right in.
But first, let me just ask you something. What if your business phone could just answer itself? I'm not talking about some clunky old voicemail. I mean a truly intelligent assistant that actually gets things done. It sounds a little like science fiction, doesn't it? Well, it's not. It's happening right now. You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. You're completely swamped, the phone starts ringing, and you just have to let it go. But that's not just a missed call, is it? It's a missed opportunity, just hanging there in limbo.
So what happens to that opportunity? Well, that hot lead, the one who is ready to talk right now, they just call someone else, and poof, they vanish into thin air. And in the time it took for that call to even hit your voicemail, your competition has already scooped them up. They booked the appointment, they've scheduled the tour, the one that should have been yours. But what if you could completely flip that script? It's time to meet your new AI receptionist. This is your 24/7 assistant that never sleeps, never takes a coffee break, and is always, always ready to capture every single opportunity that comes your way. And listen, this is so much more than a fancy answering machine. Your AI agent can answer calls anytime, day or night, book meetings straight into your calendar, manage all your leads, and even log things like maintenance issues. It hooks right into the tools you're probably already using, like Zillow and Google, becoming a true part of your team. And just to be super clear, this isn't some pie-in-the-sky concept for the future. I mean, check this out. A single developer has already built and rolled out over 40 of these property phone bots. This tech is out there in the wild, working for businesses right now. Now, I know the real estate example is a great one, but don't get hung up on that. This technology can automate inbound leads for pretty much any industry. Seriously, if your business relies on responding to people quickly, this is something you've got to know about. So, how does it all actually work? It's surprisingly simple. A new lead comes in, right? Maybe from your website or an ad. Instantly, the system shoots them a text. If they text back showing they're interested, the AI gets it, and bam, it triggers a voice call. From there, the AI agent asks a couple of qualifying questions, and if it's a good match, it books the meeting right then and there. The cool thing is how versatile this is. We're seeing it used everywhere: real estate, law firms, healthcare, basically any field that needs to schedule and qualify new clients. But honestly, that last slice of the pie chart, that's the most interesting one. Where could this fit inside your business? All right, this is the part you've been waiting for. How is this stuff actually built? You're probably picturing a team of super expensive developers, right? Well, let's pull back the curtain and look at the blueprint, because you're going to see just how easy this is. This is the big reveal. Are you ready? No backend, no servers, and absolutely no code. This entire powerful system can be put together without writing a single line of programming. I'm serious. So what's actually under the hood? It's a stack of tools you probably already know. You've got an AI voice platform like Vappy, that's kind of the brain. You grab a phone number from a service like Twilio. You use a scheduling tool you already love like Calendly. And then you have the secret sauce that ties it all together, an automation tool like Zapier. So what in the world is Zapier? Think of it like the glue for the internet. It just lets all your different apps talk to each other automatically. So, for example, when that new lead hits your website, Zapier can instantly tell your AI voice agent, hey, time to make a call. It's all done with a simple point-and-click interface. No coding needed. But what does the AI actually say? How do you give it a personality and tell it what to do? It's not with code. It's just a script, a prompt, written in plain English. And here it is. This is literally the kind of prompt you can just copy and paste. You give it a super clear goal, qualify the person, and book an appointment. You set a few simple rules like, speak naturally and ask one question at a time, and then you just give it the questions to ask. It's really as simple as writing an instruction manual. So when you snap all these pieces together, the tools, the script, you're not just building some cool software. You are, for all intents and purposes, hiring your very first AI employee, and probably your most efficient one too. And that right there, that's the whole point. Let the AI handle all the boring, repetitive follow-up. This frees up your human team members to spend their valuable time where it really counts, talking to people who are already qualified, already interested, and actually ready to move forward. I mean, the difference is just crystal clear when you put them side by side.
Your AI agent? Available 24/7, it costs a fraction of a salary, it follows up instantly every single time, and it never ever gets tired or has a bad day. It is a complete game changer for your productivity.
So, that brings us to the final question, and this one's really for you to think about. Now that you've seen how easy this is, if you could automate just one single repetitive conversation in your business to save time and capture way more opportunities, which one would it be?